Alright everyone, I'm Hampus. I have a Spanish girlfriend, Anna, walking around here in the videos sometimes, maybe helping me film. And we just bought our first flat. We're super excited. It's in the center of Gothenburg. We have big plans, okay? Super big plans, and it's gonna be so much fun. There's gonna be a completely new kitchen in a completely new room. There's gonna be remodeling of the floors. There's gonna be lots of new painting. And also I will show you some super cool items that I found along the way. And yeah, I wanna take you with me on this journey. Everything is new to me, basically. Luckily, I have a great dad who knows how to build basically anything. But I am extremely excited and hopeful that this is going to be a super cool project and that you are happy to follow.
Get next to me and try this good life together. Two broken birds wanting to fly away. There's nothing wrong or right, we stand in our shadows. But I feel like a heavy weight that slows you down. Turn around and stay a little while. Time's up, I get it, I'll be fine. Some people are not meant to make it, I hope you make it. Cause this small town is not forever, so take us far away. Gonna chase the clouds away while waiting on the sunny day. This just won't last, not for us anyway. Don't walk so fast so we don't see what is coming. It looks like rain but we will do what we can. No one likes us when they see us together.
So, a little bit about the apartment. I will show you around later, but the apartment in itself is from the 19th century sometime. It's on the top of a mountain inside the city. So we have fantastic views that I will show you. We have a crazy amount of light coming into the flat. It's an old one with high ceilings and beautiful structures, I think they're called. Or maybe that's just a Swedish easy translation. We have old wood floors. When you enter the flat, you really see that there's something special about it, you know? Sometimes you can go into someone's home and it could be like, oh, it's pretty, it's very nice, nicely renovated, luxurious, whatever. But sometimes you go into a place, you know, something special. So, yeah. And it's been 2 days and it's been hectic, to say the least. But here we are. And yeah, let's get started.
Varenda solstråle värmer vårt blod. Ta min hand och ge mig mod. Ge mig färger och allt som är skönt. Gräset tvingar sig fram och blir grönt. Natten lyser och jag ser shore house. Se på oss, nu är allting löst. Allt vi ser långt bort vill vi inte se vad som väntar på oss. Vänd dig om för tiden är här och vi är ju som vi är. För snart finns vi inte här.
Oh my god, baby! Okay, amor. Let's see if it's the wood.
Oh, it went off so easy. Oh my god.
Oh